What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Dogecoin, and we're going to be talking about why I believe Dogecoin is about to pump very soon leading into April. This is going to be huge. Doge Day 420, all that good stuff. So anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for a YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join. And I'll be going over all the cryptos for the members first. I have a whole list of videos I'm going to be doing for the members on cryptos. Chims Inu being the next one for the members. Shout out to Michael and the SC. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code of Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Let's get started with the video, though. So the first thing that we want to talk about here with Dogecoin is the pump that we just now had today. This was a nice pump. Now, Dogecoin is pretty overbought right here. You can actually see here on the oscillator, this is a lot of buying pressure that came in for Dogecoin. Really, for a whole overall crypto market, it's just going crazy. But Dogecoin more than the rest of them. Like Dogecoin's up pretty big today. And Cardano is up pretty big today too. I've seen all those are up. Let me hit the refresh button so you can see the current ones. But yeah, Dogecoin 5% here. As you can see, Bitcoin only up 0.4% or down 0.4%. Ethereum down 0.1%. Yet Dogecoin is up 5%. Shiba Inu up 5.1%. This is a huge indication of altcoin season coming inside of April. This is about to be huge. If you're not a part of the Baby Dogecoin community, you definitely want to check that out. And big shout out to Alfred the Great Gardener for posting this on our group. If you're not there inside the Telegram group, definitely join. I have it in the link in the description in all my Baby Doge videos, so just check that out there because it is for Baby Doge, so I'm not going to put the link in this description. But anyways, this is Bitcoin and altcoins will go parabolic in April. I believe this is true. This is when our actual altcoin season starts. This is when altcoin season last year started. Actually, if you look at Dogecoin right now, that's a huge pump. It's really nice. But that's only just the tip of the iceberg. Like we're going to have so much more coming very soon for Baby Doge or for Dogecoin. You can actually see from March going into April here, that's when we really started to see that huge pump. If you watch my Baby Doge videos, I talk about how April 16th is such a huge, significant area for Baby Doge. Even looking at Baby Doge, that's when our bull flag comes to the end at Baby Doge, and that's when we're predicted to break out on that area. Now, that's for Baby Doge. Now, for Dogecoin, you can see this is where Dogecoin reached its peak when it started to break out last year. It reached a nice peak there, and then Doge Day 420 happened, and it had another peak. Now, I will say, specifically for Doge Day 420, on Doge Day 420, we may see a little bit of a pump, but you will probably see a dump on Doge Day 420. But leading up to Doge Day 420, that's when you see the huge pump, and it's starting right now. Literally, it's starting right now. So you want to be in on Dogecoin now leading up to Doge Day 420. Don't wait till Doge Day 420 to get on Dogecoin. Like this is literally going to pump leading up to there. Probably going to have another pullback. And remember, that pump that came after Doge Day 420 only came because Saturday Night Live. So we're not even really looking at the May pump. We're just looking at the altcoin season that happened in April. The whole May pump, that was just because Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk and it was going crazy and then it dumped on the day. We already know what happened there. But all we want to look at here is for April. So April, we're going to have a nice pump for a bit for a Dogecoin. And I'm not going to even talk about May. So we'll do that after April. But what we're looking at right now, we got our eyes set on April. So yeah, April is going to be pretty nice here for Dogecoin. As you can see, the bulls are in control of the 24-hour market control by 80%. We're doing pretty nice. This is the 5-hour chart here. Or no, not the 5-hour, the 15M chart. So right now, what I'm predicting for Baby Doge or Dogecoin, I keep saying Baby Doge, predicting for Dogecoin though to probably do a little bit of a pullback down here. We'll probably, I don't know why I put the text there, but yeah, like I said, we'll probably see Dogecoin end up pulling back down, maybe to this area here, to about the 1230 area, like by the end of the day, and then continuing on the pump. But right now, we're up huge, so just definitely watch out for this. Like this is something big going on inside Dogecoin right now. It's literally the calm before the storm. We're literally probably gonna have another breakout for for Dogecoin soon. I know I keep calling it Baby Doge, but yeah, I'm big on both of those. But like I said though, there's a lot of potential here for Dogecoin to continue to grow. If you just look at the charts here, you can see it's been growing huge astronomically for like literally this whole day, and we've just been going crazy. But like I said, this is what I like to call the mini consolidation. I call this mini consolidation. Oh, wow. I meant to go back here to that and click on this chart. I call this mini consolidation because it's such a small form of consolidation between a literal hours, like an hour period, like between an hour or 2 hours, is like an hour, 2 hour consolidation before we end up going back down. And that's why I call this the mini consolidation. I know it's probably not the technical term you want to use for it, but this is like a mini consolidation period where we just end up, consolidating. So what I'm looking at here for this breaking out of the end of this consolidation period would be going down on the downside here. So we're probably going to see it go back down to about 1250. And this is just all short terms. Like obviously, we're probably going to have that go back down to 1250 after such a pump like this. Yeah, we're probably going to go back down to 1250 pretty soon, with Dogecoin expected to break out on that downside there. But this is just to say that it's a short-term projection. When you look at the 4-hour chart for Dogecoin, though, that's what you really want to be focused on, because when you look at that 4-hour chart, we just now broke this whole area here. The red areas show less demand for these vital algo indicators. So all these red areas here, less demand. So since this is our less demand area, we just broke that less demand area and turned it green. You can see right here, this whole new area that we just now formed is a green area. That means that now our bottom, not our bottom, but our low for Dogecoin is now 12 cents and up. Used to be over here at 11 cents and down. And that used to be where we were, well, not down, but, kind of a little bit up above that. We're trading between those channels there. So in theory, Dogecoin should not be going down 11 cent below 11 cents anytime soon. Now, if we were to even break down below this 12.91 13-cent area back down to 11.40, we would immediately go back up. So it wouldn't even be something that you want to worry about. Now that we do have this area right here of more demand formed, you can see here on an oscillator, there's actually more buying pressure coming in for Dogecoin because of all this. And now that we actually have that more buying pressure for Dogecoin, you're about to see it break into these channels as well. Now, these channels here, this is a huge less demand area. Like this is a really big area. You typically don't see areas this big all the way up until 16 cents. And look, once we break past this area, once we get past 13 cents, we're almost immediately jumping straight to 16 cents, skipping all the other areas, going straight to 16 cents. And I'm not the only one that believes that. I'm not the only one that does. The vital algo indicators aren't the only ones that show 16 cents is the next area of resistance for Dogecoin. Guess what? Analysts are also seeing this as well. Dogecoin price targets, I don't know what that was. Dogecoin price targets 16 cents as bulls remain in control. So this is pretty significant. Dogecoin price targeting 16 cents now that the bulls are in control here. So we're going to go over this as well. The analysts are starting to see what is about to happen and forming up here inside Dogecoin. This is pretty big. Now, I had a lot of Dogecoin. I actually day traded Dogecoin earlier today and made like $200, but I got to wait for my money to sell inside Robinhood. So what I'm doing is waiting until tomorrow, so then I can be able to, not be a pattern. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff going on inside Robinhood. I'll go over that in a different video. My money was settling, and I'm trying to move it around in different places. But this is just to say this. Get ready for Dogecoin. Like, get ready for this. This 16 cents is about to happen with Dogecoin very soon. So let's go over what the analysts are going over. So the analyst says that 16 cents is going to happen. So Dogecoin price is set to jump higher as current market sentiment did not change overnight. So Doge price first needs to deal with some short-term profit trading, but expect to break above 12.42 later in today. And like I just said, I just now took some profits out of Doge. Like I just now took like $200 or so out, and I'm probably going to go and pay some bills with that $200. But like, that's what I'm saying. Like, people are seeing like little gains and they're taking out. But as this consolidation that I just now spoke about happens, once we finally, go back down to about 12 cents, we're going to have a huge pump. Once we actually break past 13 cents and above, we're going to have a huge pump to 16 cents. And yeah, that profit trading is very real. Our profit taking is very real. A lot of people are doing that. So Dogecoin price first needs to deal with that short profit trading, that the profit that people are taking out. And then over here, a daily close above 12.42 level delivers another bullish signal to the market, with bulls attacking 13.57 by the end of the week. And right now, you can already see Doge is at 12.95. So that's already happening right there. Now, over here, you can see the Dogecoin bulls finally making a fist and piercing through the bearish defiance. Now, I actually wanted to show some of the Dogecoin whales, but unfortunately, I didn't prepare it for this video. I actually forgot to do it before I started the video. But that's another reason why I could do these videos live like this for you. I'm going to be doing some Dogecoin live streams so we can do this live. But this right here, going over the Dogecoin whales, I didn't plan this at all for this video. But the first Dogecoin whale I see bought today at They bought today at $771 million. Now their $771 million is worth $819 million. Literally off the bat, you've seen, like, I just now went to my favorites and went to the Dogecoin rich list so then I could find a random wallet. This is the first wallet I looked at, literally from 771 million to 819 million all in a day. They bought in earlier today around 7:42 a.m. It's 1:37 p.m. And this is UTC, so you got to think about those difference in time periods. But yeah, this is amazing, the fact that this is happening real time. Like, this is going crazy right now. And you can also see other Dogecoin whales are doing the same. As you can see, I'm not doing this like pre-recorded. I'm literally going over this right now. I'm going to be doing a Dogecoin live stream because I think that'd be more beneficial for people, especially the way that I do my videos. Like, I like to really show the nitty gritty, really show what things are truly going on inside of these communities, from Dogecoin to Baby Doge. So right here, I found another Dogecoin whale wallet, just reading and going over it. This one bought in today, $31.8 million, now at $33.9 million. So this short-term profit taking is going to happen. Some of these whales are probably going to end up selling a little bit of Dogecoin. But then after we hold above 13 cents consistently, you're going to see these whales stay in longer until 16 cents. And then you're going to see those same whales take that money out at 16 cents, because $771 million at 12 cents sold out eventually at 16 cents. That's a huge profit right there. That's literally from multi-$100 million to like 1.3 billion. And that's what these Dogecoin whales are doing. They're literally turning millions to billions in a matter of seconds, in a matter of days, in a matter of hours. So that's why you really want to pay attention to this. This is very significant. No more whale watching. I'll make a whole video on whale watching. I'll do a whole live stream as well. I know a lot of people out there probably want to see stuff like that. But anyways, Dogecoin price has another 10% gains on the table. So Dogecoin price has investors returning with a vengeance after tailwinds from the equity market spilled over to cryptocurrencies. So after several rumors of a peace plan being on the table between Russia and Ukraine, the strategy of buy the rumor, sell the news looks to be unfolding. Investors are front-running the rumors on the ongoing talks and bet on the fact that a deal will get brokered anytime soon. Now, I'm going to be doing a lot of new videos soon, even for the stock market. So I actually just now did some puts on Tesla. Tesla just now started to pump huge. If you know anything about Tesla, it's been pumping because that the Giga factory, I always call it something else, the Giga Berlin factory just now came out. Now we just now had that huge pump from $700 to $1,000. I just now did some puts, already up about 1,200 on it. I could sell it today, but I've told you I'm waiting until tomorrow so now I can be cleared for pattern day trading. So I can't even day trade right now. I got to be cleared by tomorrow because, you got to have 25K plus in your account to not be a pattern day trader. So I got to wait till tomorrow. But all that, I'm going to be doing Tesla videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of different other videos. So if you want me to go over some stocks, do that as well. I'll go over some options trades. I made a lot of money in options today, and I'll probably show you some of the plays that I made, but that may be only for the members because there's a lot of legal implications that could come with, doing option tradings and showing your profits and stuff. Just little stuff like that. So I'll do it for the members and state that it's not financial advice. None of this financial advice at all. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, continuing to go over Dogecoin here, the Doge price thus sees investors returning to cryptocurrencies after being put on hiatus for several months. Bulls already pierced to 1242, and now we just now pierced higher than that. So 1357 is what they're saying that we have to close above the day at. So over here, you can see with the vital algo indicators, 1357 is literally just above this amount here, is somewhere around here. So we could see that coming very soon for Dogecoin. I'm pretty optimistic here with Dogecoin here. I know you can see that. But anyways, anything can happen. We could have a pullback inside crypto. They say although there's a massive run up, so although the situation looks to be stabilizing, a turn for the worst events could trigger a massive setback for global markets. Let's say if Putin, and then when I say Putin, I mean Putin bombs Ukraine, not Russia, because really it's not the Russian people bombing Ukraine, it's Putin. But yeah, if Putin just starts bombing the Ukraine even more, and the peace deal is over, they're not going to make no peace deal and all that stuff, then you could probably see markets drop even further from there. But right now we're having good news in the markets. So back to 11 cents, like below 11 cents to 10 cents is probably not going to happen. We have so much demand for Dogecoin right here, from all the way from 11.50 all the way down to about 10.50. There's so much demand that's going to be very hard for Dogecoin to get down that low. And on top of that, we have good news coming out for Dogecoin too. So popular BTM operated Bitcoin of America adds Dogecoin to their Bitcoin ATMs. So I've seen a lot of these ATMs actually inside of here in Florida. I see these ATMs all over the place in gas stations. And yeah, they now accept Dogecoin. So now you can do Dogecoin at these ATMs. So that's pretty big. And yeah, April is going to be pretty big for altcoin season. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I don't want to ramble on any longer. But like I said, there's a lot of good stuff going on for Dogecoin. So you're going to be seeing a lot of Dogecoin videos coming back for this channel. I stopped temporarily doing Dogecoin videos because I was doing baby Doge videos, and the two communities kind of didn't get along at first. But I think the people inside of baby Doge can appreciate the Dogecoin investors, and the Dogecoin investors can appreciate baby Doge, because baby Doge is now at such a point where it's solidified in the crypto market. It's literally solidified in the crypto market and with the communities. It has such a strong community, just like Dogecoin. So I think the two, groups can be intertwined here, because we have to, do only get every day. That's what Dogecoin stands for. And baby Doge stands for the same thing, but for dogs. Dogecoin doing good for people and for animals and for all that. And baby Dogecoin specifically doing good for the dogs out there. So there's a huge possibility that Dogecoin and baby Dogecoin could be partnering together for something in the future. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. I have no insider information at all. I'm just speculating here. But the two communities are so strong that they could do something in the future together. And it would be amazing for both communities if that happens. And I guess that's probably a suggestion to the developers of both sides. I would definitely like to see something good being done in the world by both communities. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out that Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.